Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. I am here with another question. In triangle M, measure of angle A that is equal to 2 pi by 3 radian. Here this M stands for measure and this sign stands for angle. Measure of angle A and measure of angle B is equal to 45 degrees. We have to find measure of angle C in both system, that is in radian and as well as in degrees. So it is a triangle, so we know that measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C, that is equal to 180 degrees. That is sum of measure of angles of triangle is 180 degree. This is the symbol of triangle. Now substitute the values, but before substituting, here this angle is given in radian, so we have to convert this measure of angle A in degrees. So we have measure of angle A is equal to 2 pi by 3 into 180 by pi degrees, that is equal to 120 degrees. And measure of angle B is given, that is 45 degrees. So substituting values, we will get angle C, measure of angle C, that is 120 degrees plus 45 degrees plus measure of angle C, that is equal to 180 degrees. So measure of angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus of 120 degrees minus of 45 degrees. We'll add this negative 120 degree and 45 degree as having same signs. So 180 degrees minus 165 degrees, so we'll get finally 15 degrees after subtracting 180 by 165. So measure of angle C is equal to 15 degrees. Now as we have found this angle in degrees, we have to similarly find in radian. So measure of angle C is equal to 15 into pi by 180 radian, so it will be equal to pi by 12 radian. So finally we have measure of angle C is equal to 15 degrees and similarly measure of angle C is equal to pi by 12 in radian. So our next question is the difference between two acute angles of a right angle triangle is 3 pi by 10 radians. Find the angles in degrees. So here we have given the acute angles of right angle, so we can assume this two acute angles. Let two acute angles be x comma y. So here they have given x minus y is equal to 3 pi by 10 radian. So we have to convert this into degrees. 3 pi by 10 into 180 by pi degrees. So we will get as 54 degrees. And the acute angles of right angle triangle, so there are two different acute angles in a right angle triangle. From this we can say that x plus y is equal to 90 degrees. So we have two equation, that is x plus y is equal to 90 and x minus y is equal to 54 degrees. Now adding this two equation, we get x is equal to 2x is equal to 144. So x is equal to 72 degrees. Put this value of x is equal to 72 degrees in equation. Let this be 1 or 2. Put in an equation, you will get y is equal to 18 degrees. Hence the two acute angles of right angle triangle are 72 degrees comma 18 degrees respectively. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study With Me. Thank you.